Hello, you are all welcome to Layout Inc. Today we're going to be showing you a simple tutorial for beginners on how to cut around an image. As you can see, we're just scrolling through some templates that you can utilize on the app to ensure that all your needs are met, including Instagram stories, Facebook posts, YouTube channel art, flyers, t-shirt designs, and so forth. Right, I hope you're excited as we're about to show you something so exciting and very simple to do, as this application is quite straightforward. And as we scroll down, you can see some of the designs and things that we have created thus far. So we get started. We press on create a design, and our preferred dimension for this tutorial is the Instagram post template, which the dimensions are 1080 by 1080. And to start our tutorial, we just went to photos, which was on the sidebar underneath uploads, and just typed in people. We just wanted to be random, so people was the first thing we thought of, and then scrolled down to our preferred picture. For the purpose of this tutorial, we clicked on the picture of this lovely and beautiful couple who you can see are truly happy and just embracing the moment. We go to edit image and press background remover. That's right, so straightforward and simple. Just press background remover. And voila, your image has been cut around. And for this to be saved, as with a transparent background, you would need to save it as a PNG and press transparent background when doing so. So we just made the picture a little bit bigger and put the squares further in so that it will be easier to maneuver, and just scroll down in the edit image section so we can see what we can use and utilize to edit this picture. So as you can see, there's such things as autofocus, paint effects, and so forth. Today we decided to use duotone, and in this section you can change up the colors of the picture if you desire to, depending on the kind of template that you would like to make for that day. I pressed on this pink one because I thought it was quite delightful, but you can choose whichever one you would like. We just went back into duotone and just pressed none so we could go back to scratch and see what else we can do to edit this picture. We then went into shadows and clicked on different types of shadows that we could add to the picture, and again, it depends on your preferred template and what design you're making on the day. So as you can see, we just chose angle for this particular one, as this gives it a pop-up effect, which is actually perfect for just simple designs such as maybe invitations, posters, and if you just wanted to create something lovely for social media and content creating. We then went to filters to see what filters we can create, and we were particularly interested in this black and white filter, which is actually very lovely if you desire to do like an invitation or perhaps an engagement if you desire to. Now we hit a bit of a snag because when we were trying to edit this picture, it did get into the background of our template, and to detach the picture from the template and start again, you just simply hold onto the picture and press detach from background. Then we went back in to the edit picture and went back to the black and white filter, as that was our preferred choice. I hope that this tutorial was straightforward, and we'll see you in our next video.